influencer ambassador. Now you have Danielle Matsunaga. Is it a conscious effort to get 2 male ambassadors for the brand, and any plan in the pipeline to also include female ambassadors or celebrity ambassadors to be the face of the brand?
Actually, for the female ambassadors, soon we will launch by 2025. But for now, yun nga, for me, kahit 2 male ambassadors sila, as long as, diba, very helpful sila for the brand sa Awesome Smile Dental Clinic. With Danielle Matsunaga po kasi is more on like spread like yung dental health education. So, awareness din. So, kaya siya talaga yung isa din talaga sa napili namin. Kaya ngayon, for this year, 2 males muna kami. But for next year, we will launch more pa. And then female ambassadors. Thank you.
Last question. It's just a sort of follow-up of what Josh asked kanina. Like, previously, we have a solid pipeline with give back on the community in partnership with your influencer ambassador. Can you please share with us naman your solid pipeline as well when it comes to education and raising awareness about the importance of taking good care of our oral hygiene with Danielle Matsunaga?
With Danielle Matsunaga kasi for me, like, Danielle kasi it's been like 15 years na siya sa showbiz industry. So the name kasi niya is talagang mas kilala na rin talaga ng mga tao. Which I believe mas magiging helpful siya for the dental education and awareness sa lahat ng Filipinos, and even syempre kung sa ibang bansa din na yun kasi yung madalas na neglect kasi lalo na dito sa Pilipinas. So I want Danielle Matsunaga to be the instrument then, one of the instruments na mas talagang maging aware na rin yung mga Filipinos and even the new technologies na rin na meron din tayo. Kasi syempre with other countries kasi mas advanced na sila. So through him, mas lalo nating mabibigay ng idea and knowledge ang lahat ng mga patients natin. Thank you.
Wow!